Here's how to convert MKV video to FLAC audio. That's that FLAC format. We can just drag and drop MKV into this cool app called ConvertSave. It's cool because I made it, and you can download it at convertsave.com. It's pretty awesome. Drag, drop, convert, save. That simple. So select our output. We're going to FLAC and hit convert. That's it. Saves it right next to where that file came from. This is an image, video, and audio file converter for Windows and Mac. And it works just by, you can browse for files, but also just dragging and dropping right in there. And you select your output and hit convert. And it knows which outputs are available depending on if you drag an image in, if you drag video, audio. And you also have advanced options here where you can see the conversion that's happening. You can see the tool that's happening. You can see the different commands that are going to be sent to that tool to do the conversion. And you also have the ability to add your own custom commands, which gives you the option, speaking of options, the options builder here can generate that command for you. Gives you the option to add all these different settings to your conversions. So we're not just converting. We can change the bitrate. We can change the volume. We can change the start time and end time to trim it out of the video from a specific spot. This is just for video to audio. You can do things like add effects to images, resize, crop. You can change frame rate of video, resolution. There's so many options in here, and they change depending on what that conversion type is. Specifically, if I'm going MKV to FLAC, these are my options I can mess around with. It generates that command for you. It can be your custom command that you always use, so you don't have to come in here and build it every time. You can just do drag, drop, convert, save, and use your custom command instead of the other ones, right? And so it's really awesome. There's a lot of features, and we're adding even more. So I appreciate your guys' support. You can go to convertsave.com or check it out with the links in the description. If you're sick of going to random websites to do all these random file conversions and uploading and downloading your files to who knows where, ConvertSave is an offline file converter, no uploading. You can actually just turn off your network and it'll still work. It works with tools on your system. Created this with my brother. He's a software developer. And basically, I wanted a way to do really fast file conversions. And so now you have a way to do really fast file conversions. It's ConvertSave. It's that simple, guys. I appreciate it, and I'll see you in the next one.